Hello, it's Mr. K again. I was going to come up with another scientific idea. I would like to pass it to you people. Let's hear what you think of the idea. Okay. Think about controlling atmospheric pressure within a contained field, maybe some type of fighter jet or some type of plane, um, where within the circumferential zone or the proximity zone of the pilot, atmospheric pressure can be controlled. The composition of the air, the amount of g-force thrust or drift that a pilot or someone flying a plane would endure. The idea goes like this: just imagine a jet or a spaceship with electromagnetic rods, probably a composite of materials, magnetic property metals, glycerite, and maybe a normal tough metal. Basically, electromagnetic rods placed around like like a containment grid within the aircraft zone. Basically, the electromagnetic rods would be electrically charged. It would be positioned in a way where a magnetic field would surround the pilot's proximity zone, and the components of the aircraft would have a firewall composite material, mixed material, firewall material, where the field would not harm the internal avionics or internal structure, electrical and frequency guided and mechanical guided uh, operations of the aircraft. So just imagine this: electromagnetic rods placed around a pilot's proximity zone, and the atmosphere within that zone will be controlled like a composite material of of, uh, of the makeup of the air and the atmosphere and the gravity, manipulating each component to a degree where there'll be a reduction in thrust, drift, and g-force capabilities on a pilot's or person who's best flying the spaceships internal organisms response. So the magnetic field would allow an atmospheric containment system in place. So you'd be able to fly at almost 9 to 10 to 12 G 9 or 10 or 12 Mach, which is like 4 times faster than the F-22 Raptor. Uh, I mean, because of the containment field, which is structured around electromagnetic rods around the pilot's proximity zone, you'll be able to contain the atmospheric pressure. You'll be able to manipulate the atmospheric pressure. So, I mean, gravity, thrust, and drift would be manipulated in such a way as to reduce the pressure on the pilot's own internal organisms, internal environment, allowing someone to fly 12 Mach, only experiencing 2 or 3 G-force on the body. I will run this through you guys. I hope you enjoyed the idea, because it is. I think it's a pretty good idea. I think you'll be able to fly at 12 Mach, and you'd only feel like you're flying at 3 Mach or 2 Mach, because the G-force pressure would be reduced to a great extent on the human's internal organism. The same could be applied to space. Developing electromagnetic field around a spacecraft where you can contain atmospheric pressure and manipulate the environment. You'll be able to fly at rapid speed through space with a generated, ongoing, reproducible, renewable atmospheric containment pressure through those electromagnetic rods placed around the spacecraft specific ways as to develop a proximity grid around uh, a pilot. So it has two applications, one on the ground within Earth's atmosphere and one in space. Thank you very much. Just wanted to pass this idea. Let's see if YouTube actually take this down or keep it. Mr. K, over now.